So we are here with the loops. In the previous lessons, I had mentioned any programming language, these are the most important topics. They consist of three main parts: conditions, loops, functions. We have seen conditions. Now it's time for loops, okay? We use loops to run some block of codes repeatedly as many times as we want, even for infinitely, but most of the cases you wouldn't want an infinite loop, okay? For the loops, we have three types, okay? For loop, while loop, do while. Okay, let's start with an example, but I want to show you why we would need loops, okay? So let's say I'm a crazy person, and when I greet someone, when I greet anyone, I say 10 times, otherwise I don't feel comfortable, okay? Yeah, let's say hello and new line, and I do this 10 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let me run the code and see the result first. Hello, 10 times. So loops help us, not this one, wait. Loops help us prevent repeating ourselves and doing things in a simple way and with less code, okay? Let's achieve the same result with the for loop, okay? For the for loop, any guess which keyword we are using? For. Then we are having parentheses for the definitions and condition. Then we are having code block here, okay? If this condition and definition is true, we will run this code block. So inside the parentheses, we are defining a variable and the starting point. Let's say I want to start from the 1. Then the second thing, the condition. As long as I is less than or equal to 10, I wanna run this loop. But each time we are putting semicolon, okay? And the amount of decrement. Usually you see this plus plus, so it means I have showed you. This means increment by 1, but you can also increment that, or even you can decrement by 2 or 3. We can see these examples, but for now let's say plus plus, okay? And let's have it inside the code block. Hello, okay? So as long as our I, even you can call it any name, let's say counter, as long as our counter is less than or equal to 10, we wanna run this code, and every time it is decrementing by 1, it is going one number up, okay? So I'm running now. Yeah, as you can see, it is the same result. Hello you. Yeah, also what you can do, you can use this variable inside here, inside the code block. And for that, of course, you need %d, since it is integer, and you can say stop. Okay, so as you can see, okay, let's decrement this time. Let's come from 10 to 0, or let's increment by 2 plus equal to. So we will only see, we will skip. Okay, let me run. 1, 3, 5. Okay, also you can go 3 by 3, you can go up. Okay, so let's decrement. Let's start from 10, and this time minus equal 1, but we need to modify here as well. As long as the counter is greater than or equal to what? 1. So counter, the first time it is 10, and 10 is greater than equal to 1. Okay, this is true. Then we will run this code, and every run we are decrementing the counter by 1. So it will be 9, 8, 7, 6, and when it is 1, again it is true. 1 is equal to 1. When it is 0, it won't run anymore. Let's see. What do you say, grandpa? Okay, as you can see. Okay, one more thing I will show, then we are good. The VS Code has C language intelligence. When you type the keyword for, and it is giving you, okay, size T, you can make it integer, integer, and it's giving you, this is the, here it was 1 or 10. As long as it is less than 10, you can run some specific block of code. Okay, let me run this as well, but counter is not defined because now it is I. Okay, I'm running now, 0 to blah blah. Okay, this is the for loop. Okay, I hope it was clear, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.